Hello friends and welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy and I like to talk about makeup and makeup panning, and eventually I'll get around to talking about other things, but for right now this is everything that's going on that's important in my real life. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. It is free and it means a lot to me, and yeah, stay tuned for today's video. Today I have an update for the Child of the 80s Project Pan. This is a Pantastic Ladies collab group project that was created by Jaylon. I will have her linked in the description below. This project has 80 prompts and is all about the 80s. Go figure. You are to work on, it is a rolling style project, roulette style, and you are to work on 8 prompts at a time, or as many as you choose if you choose to do more. And it runs from January 1st until the end of the year, and it is updated monthly. So this is the August update, and I am working on a few products. So let's get into what I've been working on and what I can roll out. The first product, been in for the beginning. The very first thing I rolled was for Milli Vanilli, and that is something that isn't what you thought it was, and that is my Skinvolve body boost gel thing that I hate. I have not used it this month. I have 3 uses left. My goal was to use it 20 times, and I dislike it so much that I've only used it 17 times. I was going to use it this month, and I just didn't get to it. So I'm going to try really hard. I'm going to pack it in my bag and try and use it every day for 3 months. I mean, every day for 3 days. And then I'll be done. And I won't have to worry about it ever again. Or I want to finish it. We'll see. So, no progress on that. I didn't even grab it because there's nothing to show you. But I promise I'll get it done. Next up is for... Make sure I didn't miss anything in between because there's a lot of prompts that have been crossed off. Next is for 21 Jump Street, use an item 21 times, and I brought in a ColourPop lippy stick that at the time was brand new to me, and of course I want to use it 21 times. This is what it's looking like right now. It is the shade Cami. It is a matte formula, and I am not wearing it today, but I did wear it twice this last month, so my total is 10 out of 21 uses, so I have 11 more uses to go. We're getting there, slowly but surely. I will try and focus on using that more the coming month, but right now I'm working on a few other things that have shorter goals and easier to use. Speaking of, the next thing is ET, a unique item or unique product, and I brought in my Bite multi-stick in Peacock Pearl, and I am wearing this today over top of a another lip product, but this is it here. It has this nice blue sheen, and it's over a bright, I'll show you, bright red, and it just tones it down and gives it a nice blue sheen and a little bit of darkness, because otherwise I think that lip color is a little bit too bright on me. But I like it. It's nice. I have used it 4 times this month. I have used it twice as a cheek contour, which I'm not wearing today, but I probably could have. And then I have worn it twice this month as a lip topper. My goal was to use it 5 times for eyes, lips, and cheek. And so far I've used it 4 times on my lips, 5 times on my cheek as the contour, and only once as an eye base. So I'm going to try it as an eye base a couple more times. I thought about using it today, but I didn't think it would go with this color story. It actually might have. But yeah, we will keep working on that for 5 more uses. Next is for Trapper Keeper, a product with cute packaging, and I brought in my Norn highlighter, the Norn's highlighter in Veil of Future, It is this pinky gold thing here. I'm not sure how I feel about this. Some days I think it's fine and it's beautiful golden sheen. Other days it's very glittery, and a lot of times it feels like it's got hard pan. So I don't think I'm going to declutter it. I'm going to keep using it. I really like it. I might end up putting some in a lotion and seeing if that is something that works for me. But my goal was to use it 10 times. Last update I'd used it 5, and this month I've used it 5. So I've met my goal on that, and that product in its cute packaging is rolling out. The next product is for the Prompt Dipstick, a product you feel like an idiot for buying, and that is my Spascriptions lip scrub. I don't have it in front of me because it is packed in my travel toiletries bag, but that you wouldn't see much difference. But my goal was to use it 10 times. Last month I'd only used it twice. This month I've used it 5 times. So I have 3 more uses to go, and since it's in my toiletry bag and I'm trying to remember to use it every other day or so, I anticipate it being done for the next update. And yeah, next up is for the Prompt Footloose, and that is something that was forbidden when you were a teenager. And my mom was pretty okay with most anything. Yeah, there wasn't anything I could think of that was forbidden, but I don't think she would have appreciated blue hair. So I brought in my Arctic Fox hair dye in Poseidon Blue. It's all gone. I used the last of it that I could get out. I had it upside down and I shook it and I squeezed it and I tried to spatula, and yeah, it's in my hair today with another color. I got 2 uses out of this. It was almost done to begin with, but this is finished and rolling out of the project. Alright, for the Lost Boys, this is a prompt for something that is black or vampy, and I brought in a black eyeliner. Originally it was my Fright Night eyeliner, but last month I changed it to this one from Divine Callow. This is like a gel liner, and my goal is to use it 10 times, and over the last month I have used it 5. I have it on my lower waterline today, and it is just a simple black liner. I haven't even measured it, but you know, it's just barely, when I roll it down, just barely past the tip. So, you know, continue working on that. And then lastly, we're gonna pump you up. Is a product with a pump, and for that I brought in my e.l.f. what is this one? Flawless Satin Foundation. I am wearing it today. It is my only foundation at the moment, so whenever I wear foundation, this is what I'm wearing. I have mine in the shade 130 Snow, and my goal is to use it 20 times over the last month. Since bringing it in, I've used it 13 times. So I've done my makeup 13 times since the last update, and I've used this every time. Of course, I just used it, so I can't tell you where it's at, but I believe it's right about there, and it does have a pump, and I really enjoy this. And yeah, I will continue using it for 1 more month. So we are rolling out 2 items this month, and that leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just double checking that I hadn't rolled anything in previously that was extra. So that means we're rolling in 2 new prompts, and I am going to pull up my Pretty Random app. I already set it for 1 through 80, and then I'm going to roll the numbers and come back and tell you what they are and what I picked. I'm not going to have you watch me roll them because it takes a while because I haven't set them all to non-repeat. So I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. That didn't take too long. I surprisingly only rolled 2 numbers, and I hadn't had them before, unlike last month where I think I rolled like 5 numbers and had most of them. So the first number I rolled was number 21, which is for the prompt Uno. A product you only have 1 of, whether it's name, brand, product, So I am bringing in my Peony Pink Glow highlight stick, illuminizing stick. I guess it's a crayon highlighter. I'm not that excited by it, but I will give you a swatch of it there on the back of my hand, which you can't even see. It's there, it's sort of pink, it's sort of highlighty. Yeah. I'm undecided on how I feel about it, actually. It is something I don't reach for, and I'm going to bring it in for 10 uses and see how I feel about it. And then next I got the Prompt 68, which is for Pat Benatar, a bright or dark cheek product. I love Pat Benatar. And so the best one I could come up with was the Essence the Blush, and this is in the shade Believing. It is my darkest blush, although that's not very dark, but it is a pretty intense blush, or dark as far as color goes. There is a swatch of it there. I could build it up more, and I'm going to bring that in for 10 uses as well. So that's everything for this update. If you enjoyed the video, give it a great big thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I appreciate all of my subscribers, and I look forward to seeing you in my comments of my next video, because I won't actually see you, but you can see me, so I look forward to you seeing me in my next video. Yeah. Anyway, take care, and I will see you later. Bye.